We're making an easy 5-minute cherry balsamic vinaigrette. With just 5 simple ingredients, you'll have a restaurant quality dressing that makes any salad irresistible. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below. And that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, including nutrition facts, ingredients and substitutions, and frequently asked questions. To make this really easy salad dressing, I found it works best to use a high-speed blender. So I'm just going to use the blender cup that comes with my Ninja. So I'm going to start by adding 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. You could use dark or light. Next we'll add 1/4 cup of light olive oil. You could also use avocado oil. And for some tangy flavor and to act as an emulsifier, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a dash of salt. Okay, 2 dashes. And then we're going to add 1 cup of cherries, and you can use any variety that you like. You will want to make sure that you take the pits out first. And you can use frozen cherries, but you would want to defrost them first. So I'm adding 1 cup of cherries. Now you could cook down these cherries first in a saucepan, which will give you a much more concentrated cherry flavor, but I have found that this method is just really quick and still gives you a really fresh cherry flavor. So now I'm just going to screw on the lid, snap it in the base, and blend it on high until it is well combined. So in 30 seconds, we have this very gorgeous and incredibly smelling cherry vinaigrette. Now is a perfect time for a little taste test. That is so delicious. It's got tang, it's got sweetness, and I love the taste of the cherry. Now if you wanted to make it a little bit sweeter, you could easily stir in a little bit of honey or even some maple syrup, or just leave it as is. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me to make this really easy dressing. And I did include a link to the full recipe in the video description below, and that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you join me again in my kitchen.